I found an app that claims it can hack any Instagram account using nothing more than a profile link. It sounds impossible, so I decided to test every single feature to see what actually happens. Launch the application. The platform is preparing everything it needs, just give it a moment to complete. When the initialization finishes, the main control panel comes into view. There are several categories available. For this, only the vulnerability section is relevant, so I selected that option. The next page displays a field called Target Profile. You can enter either an Instagram username or a profile URL. I opened Instagram from my device and chose a random profile. On the profile page, I tapped the three-dot menu in the corner and selected Copy Profile Link. After that, I return to the application and tap on Paste button to the copied address into the field. The profile link appeared automatically. Right below the input field, several scan options were available. These included profile information, public data enumeration, threat monitoring, and possible vulnerabilities. Made sure all 4 checkboxes were selected so the analysis would cover every available category. Then, I pressed the Analyze button below. A new page opened and showed the analysis running live. At the top, the selected username was displayed. Underneath, several background tasks appeared, each representing a different stage of the process. Once the scan completed, the results started appearing. At the top was a basic overview containing publicly visible profile information, neatly organized in a single section. A button labeled View Summary then became available. I tapped it. The following screen highlighted security-related preferences and account settings. From here, tap the next button below. This section is dedicated to protection settings and allows you to choose which security layers will be included in the review. At the top, there are several toggle switches such as two-factor authentication, end-to-end encryption, certificate validation, phishing defense, and update verification. Enable all of these options. Below them, you'll find 3 additional checkboxes. Turn on SSL pinning, invalidate unknown device sessions. After everything is enabled, tap the button beneath the MITM Attack section. A console-style display appears, showing live activity as it happens. Text begins scrolling continuously while the application engine starts evaluating Instagram authentication mechanisms. At the top of the screen, a circular progress meter displays the current status in real time while the operation continues in the background. Below that, the console fills with activity logs showing tasks such as login protocol detection, configuration checks, profile information retrieval, privacy setting reviews, performance optimization, key space generation, password candidate processing, rate limit handling, device fingerprint emulation, automatic IP rotation, session cache inspection, authentication weakness detection, linked account analysis, recovery email evaluation, and login pattern monitoring. Alright, this part takes a bit of time, so I am just going to speed this part up while the system processes everything. Nothing you need to focus on right now. Let's jump straight to the result. After the initial phase finishes, the system proceeds with additional account analysis and verification procedures. One of the interesting parts is being able to watch everything happen live. You can see modules loading, configurations being reviewed, profile data being gathered, privacy settings being checked, and reports being generated. If you want more detail, you can open the logs and inspect every action individually. The platform also compares the selected profile against publicly available breach information, checking whether associated contact details appear in known datasets. It may identify linked accounts, connected Instagram profiles, and publicly associated WhatsApp numbers. The process then enters a session analysis stage, attempting to evaluate active login data, browser fingerprints, and authentication token behavior. Messages such as token refresh successful or session replay accepted may occasionally appear, indicating further progress. Meanwhile, the application reviews potential security questions connected to the account and compares available information with public social activity. Once the password candidate list has been prepared, the system begins targeted testing using pattern-based prioritization, leaked credential references, and profile-related information such as names and dates. Alright, this part takes a bit of time, so I am just going to speed this part up while the system processes everything. Nothing you need to focus on right now. Let's jump straight to the result. At that point, the final result screen appears. A concealed password field is shown along with a small reveal button beside it. After tapping the button, the password becomes visible in plain text. Next, return to the device menu and open Instagram again. Enter the username displayed in the report. Then enter the password shown by the application. Press Login. The account opens successfully. Open the profile page and allow everything to load. Posts, conversations, friend lists, and other content become visible. No warning messages appear, no additional authentication prompts are shown, and access is granted immediately. The purpose of this demonstration isn't to encourage unauthorized account access. Instead, it's intended to illustrate how Instagram security systems operate and why understanding online account protection is so important.